My bathroom was a complete disaster, and things were about to get worse. I've put my life savings into this house, I've no money and I need a new bathroom. Times are tough at the moment, so I've been forced to take matters into my own hands and fit it all by myself. Can it be done? Watch me as I try and transform this space from start to finish on a tiny £2,000 budget. I make all the big mistakes so you don't have to. I find huge problems that put the entire house at risk, and I try and learn thousands of new skills whilst trying to have some fun along the way. Make sure you stick about until the end where I reveal just how much I save. Come on, let's get it done. Oh no. I've done a big daft investigation now. I found that the house is absolutely riddled with lead pipes, which is a complete disaster. I'm gonna have to try and trace them back, find out where they are, get them capped off and removed. I'm hoping that when I start smashing the tiles off the wall that the plasterboard is pretty decent behind. I'm not optimistic. So I've just made another terrible discovery in this existing bathroom. Plasterboard surrounding the bath, when I've took the tiles off, it's quite clearly rotten. The tiles are just falling off, like peeling off. So I'm gonna have to probably replace that plasterboard, which is another big job. I'm just finding so many bad things in this bathroom. I'm not sure when it's gonna end. Okay, we made a third and terrible discovery in the bathroom. Look at the state of this wall. Now this next job is going to be a pain in the bottom. Go back to brick and then reboard out. Obviously that's going to be messy, it's going to be dusty, it's going to be a bit of a horrendous job, to be honest with you. So my face is absolutely decimated from all the dust. Look at the state of my nose. Looks like I'm in some kind of like prehistoric cave or something. This actually looks quite good. Exposed brickwork in the bathroom, great, but maybe not that waterproof. Ah. There. I'm getting water everywhere here, by the way. Right, so I'm actually going to try and cut one of the lead pipes. Don't waste time with hacksaw. Yes. Some good news, finally. I have got the bath disconnected completely. So we're at the start of a new challenge, which is going to be to get the cast iron bath out the house. Right, so I just tried lifting the cast iron bath. 1, 2, 3. Obviously that was a ridiculous idea because it is incredibly heavy. That is so loud. I'm actually going to put an earplug in. As you can see, I've managed to get most of the bath out. I'm sitting rather uncomfortably in a smashed up bath. Need to get this main piece downstairs. It's literally so heavy. Even like individual small pieces are like dumbbells. So good little workout, obviously. Bit of a shame we couldn't get it out in one piece and get it turned into some kind of like cold water plunge pool, but you know, Just getting it out alone is a victory. It's finally time to get this toilet out. Let's do it. The bathroom is clear, a blank canvas for an artist to work at. A bit of wire wool now to clean up the copper pipe. Done the first stab at the pipe work, really stressful. My hands and fingers are in absolute pieces. The push fittings are really hard work. Today we're going to get the boards on the wall. We got the bath in yesterday, we've taken it out, primed the wall first with the, I think it's called SPV primer, so that'll seal the brickwork, and then now we are going to tile adhesive and screw in the tile backer boards onto the masonry wall. Vertically oriented tile, so we're going to set it out vertically. We're going to set out from this window ledge all the way down. That is exactly 18 centimetres. Look at that. Jobs are good. Whoa! Today I'm going to assemble this toilet. Finally fitting the sink in the bathroom. 4 weeks ago, I was in a bit of a desperate situation. My bathroom was falling to bits and I didn't have the money to get someone in to fix it. With just £1,768, yes, you've heard me correct, 1768 all in, a little bit of courage, a lot of desperation, I took my last savings and I've created my dream bathroom. Yes, I was incredibly naive, yes, it was a stupid amount of hard work, but what resulted wasn't just a beautiful space, it was a journey that has actually been really important. Learning new skills, overcoming problems and working with family has really given me the confidence to think, you know what, sometimes you've just got to put the gloves on and give it a go. If you've gotten this far and even enjoyed this video a tiny bit, it would really help me out if you click subscribe. Next time, I've got this terrible kitchen to remodel. Thanks for watching and don't be scared of reaching out in the comments if you have any questions.